Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple hairstyles. So tie the hairs and fix this bun clip on the ponytail. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using the bun clips and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs from the sides and then rotate it. Now fix this hair clip. Now roll the hairs from the downside and fix it inside the clips one by one like this. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the top and then roll it down and fix it using the hair clips and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then fix this hair clip. Now, after clutching the hairs, we will take all the hairs and tie them together, divide it from the between and fold it upward and fix it inside the hair clutch and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then fix it inside the hair clip like this. Now fix it on the top and then roll it down and fix it on the top by taking the hair clutch like this and fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail and fix this bun clip on the downside of the hairs in the rubber band. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down like this using this bun pin. Fix the hairs and your bun is ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now after you are done with it, divide the hairs into two parts. We will roll them together and then fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Tie the hairs and then fix it the hair clutch like this and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs and then take this bun clutch and then roll the hairs around it and fix it on the hairs by rolling it together and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now roll the hairs and fold it upward and fix it by folding the hairs. Tie it using the hair clutch and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs like this. Now after using the hairs, we will tie it upward and then fix it on the top and then roll it down and divide it from the between. Now fix it using the hair clutch like this and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs and then fix this hair clutch on the hairs like this. Now divide the hairs from the between, tie it using a rubber band and then fold it upward and fix it using the hair clutch and fix it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fix this hair clip on the hairs. Divide the hairs into three parts and fix it inside the clips one by one as shown in the video. Tie it by rolling it upward and then roll it down. Fix it by folding the hairs using this bun pin and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail, roll the hairs upward and fix it by folding it like this. Tie the hairs using this bun pin, fix it in the between and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs from the sides, rotate it. Now divide the hairs into two parts, make the plaits on it and then fold it upward and fix them on the alternative side using the hair clutches and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now rotate the hairs from the between, fix it properly. Now tie it from the between and then roll the hairs in the between like this and fix it using the hair clutch and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail and fix this bun making tool on the hairs. Now roll it upward like this by fixing the hairs. Press it from the sides and spread the hairs. Put the rubber band or the bun clip like this and your hair bun will be ready. Thanks for watching our video.